वक्रतुण्ड महाकाय सूर्यकोटि समप्रभ निर्विघ्नं कुरु मे देव सर्वकार्येषु सर्वदा।
Good evening, everyone. On behalf of my Foy and Fua, Monali and Bhavesh Taylor, my grandparents and my family and friends, I welcome you to my cousin Pooja's Arangetram, or dance graduation, in the Bharatnatyam style of Indian classical dance. Bharatnatyam is perhaps the oldest Indian classical dance form. The origins of Bharatnatyam dates back several centuries, but it was revived and presented in its current form by Rukmini Devi Arundel in the early part of the last century. She established a school in the city of Madras, which later became the main center for learning Bharatanatyam. All dance steps are started with the right foot and are repeated with the left. The essence of this dance form is symmetry, as symbolized with the opening dance, wherein the dancer takes a half-sitting position with knees bent, feet facing outward with heels touching, and hands either outstretched or on the waist. The main stance is called the Ardha Mundali, or the half-sitting position, which is the focal or center point of all dance steps. The thematic content for Bharatanatyam is derived from Indian mythology, where the stories include valor, kindness, compassion, and bravery, not unlike those from other cultures around the world. The music that accompanies this dance style is primarily Indian classical dance. Radhika herself trained under the renowned dancer Dr. Yamini Krishnamurthy. She dedicates today's Arangetram to her guru or teacher who introduced her to this great dance form of art. Radhika will be conducting today's recital. The performance will be approximately 2 hours with a brief intermission after the Varnam, which is the most composite piece of the recital. Please refrain from using flash photography during the performance, and parents are encouraged to keep their young children seated at all times to avoid distractions for the dancer. If you need to leave the room for any reason, please wait until the dancer finishes her item before you get up to leave. It may be more convenient for parents with young children to sit by the aisle or in the back, so tending to your child will not cause a distraction to our performer. Videotaping of this program, in part or whole, is strictly prohibited except by a designated video person. Please put your recording devices away and enjoy the program. Also, please no talking during the program. Thank you again for being here this evening, and I now hand the program over to my cousin's teacher, Radhika Unnitan, who will reduce their repertoire.
Thank you, Kea. The word Arangetram is a combination of two words in the Tamil language that means taking center stage. Today, for the first time, Pooja takes center stage to present a complete recital in the Bharatanatyam style of Indian classical dance. The classical repertoire of this dance form generally starts with an invocation, moves on to ritualistic dances that emphasize two main aspects of this dance form, namely balance and symmetry. Then we introduce abhinaya, or gestural expression, wherein the dancer will use facial expression and hand gestures to introduce the interpretive aspects of the dance. She will then perform the Varnam, which is considered to be the heart of the recital, in that it is where the dancer brings together the interpretive as well as pure dance elements to demonstrate her prowess in communicating artistically. We then transition to the second half of the recital that is performed at a slower tempo, and it includes the dance of Shivanataraja. And then we have the Tilana, that is an item of complex footwork emphasizing grace, timing, and precision of movement. And finally, we end with the Mangalam, wherein the dancer gives thanks for all the support she received throughout the Arangetram. We begin today's recital or Arangetram with the traditional lighting of the lamp, where 5 of my students who have graduated will help light Pooja's lamp. They are Meera Desai, Jessica Maisuria, Rani Madhiwala, Priyanka Lala, and Janika Maisuria. Pooja will then enter, receive her dancing bells, and meditate briefly before she begins her recital. Thank you all once again for being here.
मुदाकरात्मोदकं सदा विमुक्तिसाधकं वन्दे भवक्रमक्षरम् कृपाकरं क्षमाकरं मुदाकरं यशस्करं मनस्करं नमस्कृतं नमस्करोमि भास्वरम् अकिञ्चनातिमार्जनं चिरन्तनोति भाजनं पुरारिपूर्वनन्दनं सुरारिगर्वचर्वणम् प्रपञ्चनाशभीषणं धनञ्जयादिभूषणं कपोलदानवारणं भजे पुराणवारणम् नितान्तकान्तदन्तकान्तिमन्तकान्तकात्मजम् अचिन्त्यरूपमन्तहीनमन्तराय कथितनम् हृदन्तरे निरन्तरं वसन्तमेव योगिनं तमेकदन्तमेव तं विचिन्तयामि सन्ततम् महागणेश पञ्चरत्नमादरेण योन्वहं प्रजल्पति प्रभातके हृदि स्मरन् गणेश्वरम् अरोगितामदोषतां सुसाहितीं सुपुत्रतां समाहितायुरष्टभूतिमभ्युपैति सोचिरा जय गणेश जय गणेश जय गणेश पाहि मां जय गणेश जय गणेश जय
Pooja will perform an invocation in praise of Lord Ganesh. This dance demonstrates the intertwining of pure dance movements with facial expression and hand gestures, or hastabhinaya. The mood or rasa is devotion or bhakti. The dancer describes his charming looks and talents and seeks his blessings. We'll give her a couple of minutes to put on those bells and she will be ready for you.
सिद्धिविनायकं सेवेऽहं परं सिद्धिविनायकं सेवेऽहं मोदकहस्तं मूषिकवाहं मोदकहस्तं मूषिकवाहं मुनिजनप्रेम मोहनिकाशं वेदसमूहं बोधप्रवाहं वेदसमूहं बोधप्रवाहं वेदसमूहं बोधप्रवाहं वेदसमूहं बोधप्रवाहं श्रितनिवासं श्रुतहरिकेशं श्रितनिवासं श्रुतहरिकेशं श्रितनिवासं श्रुतहरिकेशं श्रितनिवासं श्रुतहरिकेशं गपद सनि दप मगरि गरि सा रि सनि दप मगरि सनि दरि सा नि दगरि पा मगनि द सा नि दगरि द सरि गप द सरि गरि ग सा नि द नि द नि पा मग गरि ग सा नि द सरि गप द सरि ग सनि द गरि ग सा गप द सरि नि द पा मगरि सनि द सा रि सिद्धि विनायकं सेवेदं वरं सिद्धि विनायकं
Okay, would Nrityam like to do that call once more? Those are our official cheerers for the evening. Sorry, we didn't give you warning to bring those earplugs, but they will get louder. So we'll wait and see. Alaripu is a more ritualistic dance of pure movement. The dancer gradually incorporates eye, neck, and hand movements into the basic footwork that demonstrates symmetry and balance. This dance is set to a musical scale of 3 or Tishra Talam. So we present Alaripu in a minute.
தித்தாம் தை தத்தை தாம் தித்தாம் தை தத்தை தாம் தித்தாம் தை தத்தை தாம் தித்தாம் தம் தத்தை கிருதகிருதம் திதம் தை தத்தை தாம் திதம் தை தத்தை தாம் திதம் தை தத்தை தாம் திதம் கிருதகிருதம் திதம் தை தத்தை தாம் திதம் தை தத்தை தாம் திதம் தை தத்தை தாம் திதம் கிருதகிருதம் திதம் தை தத்தை தாம் திதம் தை தத்தை தாம் திதம் தை தத்தை கிருதகிருதம் திதம் தை தத்தை தாம் திதம் தை தத்தை தாம் திதம் தை தத்தை கிருதகிருதம் தித்தம் கிருதகிருதி தத்தை கிருதகிருதம் தித்தம் கிருதகிருதத்தை தத்தை கிட்டதகதம் தித்தம் தை தத்தை தாம் தித்தம் தை தத்தை கிருதகிருதம் தித்தம் தை தத்தை கிருதகிருதம் தித்தம் தை தத்தை கிருதகிருதம் திதம் தை தத்தை தாம் திதம் தை தத்தை தாம் திதம் தை தத்தை தாம் திதம் கிருதகிருதம் திதம் தை தத்தை தாம் திதம் தை தத்தை தாம் திதம் தை தத்தை தாம் திதம் கிருதகிருதம் திதம் தை தத்தை தாம் திதம் தை தத்தை தாம் திதம் தை தத்தை கிருதகிருதம் திதம் தை தத்தை தாம் திதம் தை தத்தை தாம் திதம் தை தத்தை கிருதகிருதம் தித்தம் கிட்டதகதை தத்தை கிருதகிருதம் தித்தம் கிருதகிருதை தத்தை கிருதகிருதம் தித்தம் தை தத்தை தாம் தித்தம் தை தத்தை தாம் தித்தம் தை தத்தை தாம் தித்தம் கிருதகிருதம் திதம் தை தத்தை தாம் திதம் தை தத்தை தாம் திதம் தை தத்தை தாம் திதம் கஜம் கிருதகிருதம் திதம் தை தத்தை தாம் திதம் தை தத்தை தாம் திதம் தை தத்தை கிருதகிருதம் திதம் தத்தை தாம் திதம் தத்தை தாம் திதம் தை தத்தை கிருதகிருதம் திதம் தை தத்தை தாம் திதம் தை தத்தை தாம் திதம் தை தத்தை கிருதகிருதம் திதம் தை தத்தை தாம் 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 திதம் தை தத்தை தா கதஜம் தரிதா ஜம் தரி ஜக தரிதை ததி கிடதும் தகதது திருகிடதும் தகது கிருதகிருதம் தா தை தையும் தத்தம் தகிட திருகிடத 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 தலங்குதம் கிருதகிருதம் தித்தம் கிடதகதை தத்தை கிடதகதம் தித்தம் தை தத்தை தாம் தித்தம் தை தத்தை
So I'm sure you saw what symmetry means. Let's give her another round of applause. Thank you. We now present Jati Swaram. Jati means sequence and Swara means a musical note. So in this item of pure dance or nritta, sequences of steps are interwoven with musical syllables. The dancer demonstrates intricate footwork and arm movements that are set, in this case, to a musical scale or cycle of 8 beats or aditalam. The dance movements begin at a slower pace and speed up gradually. Most of all, the dancer demonstrates gracefulness and fluidity of movement. So we will now present Jati Swaram. We thank you all again for being here tonight. Today is the day that Pooja's parents actually get to sit and watch her dance from the beginning to the end, and so that's a great thing. We insist that the parents of the graduate do that. We're also very fortunate that her grandparents and all her family is here today. So let's give all the family a nice round of applause. She has their best wishes, and that's very important. So here we go with Jati Swaram.
Sa ni dha ma ga re ni sa